the Symphony of Serenity, a journey through the sounds of the universe. Begin by settling into a comfortable position. Close your eyes softly. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and gently release through your mouth, letting go of all the tension of the day. With every breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more present. Imagine now that you are standing at the crest of a vast, endless hill. The horizon stretches infinitely in all directions, painted with colors that shimmer and shift like liquid gold and soft lavender. The sky above is wide and wondrous, filled with clouds that float upside down, slowly drifting as if they were boats sailing a gentle sea. Notice how the light plays on their edges, silver and rosy. Around you, birds flutter gracefully, but these are no ordinary birds. Each wears a tiny gleaming monocle, perched delicately on its beak, as if attending a grand symphony of the skies. Their chirps and trills mix playfully with the breeze, adding layers to a melody you begin to recognize. The eternal hum of the universe. Feel the breeze brush softly against your skin, cool yet comforting, like the gentle touch of an old friend. This wind carries a subtle vibration, a delicate pulse of sound called nada, the cosmic tone that underlies all existence. It beckons you to listen, to open your heart to the symphony of life. Take another deep breath, this time inhaling the very essence of this cosmic music. Feel it fill your lungs, spreading warmth and peace through your chest, your arms, your legs, all the way to your fingertips and toes. Exhale slowly and fully, releasing any tightness, any worries, until your whole body feels light and free. Now, sense the earth beneath your feet. The solid ground begins to soften gently, transforming into a lush bed of moss sprinkled with tiny, shimmering flowers. It cradles you tenderly, like a loving embrace from Mother Earth herself. With each breath, you sink deeper into this cushion of comfort, feeling safe, grounded, and embraced. Around you, the forest of blusterwood awakens to the music. Trees bend and sway, their leaves rustling softly in harmony with the cosmic sound. But these are no ordinary trees. They whisper secrets, ancient recipes for the perfect snack, lullabies from a forgotten time, and gentle stories of the stars. If you listen closely, their branches hum with a kindness that wraps around your soul. Nearby, a brook bubbles cheerfully, its waters sparkling in the sunlight. But it isn't just water you hear. It's laughter, light and joyous, echoing with the delight of frogs who share jokes only they understand. You smile, feeling the happiness ripple through you like waves on a warm summer lake. As you breathe in rhythm with this cosmic melody, notice a field of grass nearby. It is no ordinary grass. It shifts color with your mood, glowing softly beneath your feet. Step into it and feel the grass change from green to purple, a gentle signal that says, mildly bewildered, but open to suggestions. You laugh softly at this playful magic, allowing yourself to be curious, to wonder. Deeper still, the symphony calls you inward to the sacred center of your being. Imagine a glowing thread of sound running from the top of your head to the soles of your feet. This thread vibrates with the music of the cosmos, linking you to everything: the sky, the earth, the stars, and every living creature. As the melody swells, feel your muscles relax completely. Your shoulders drop, your jaw softens, your heartbeat slows, all moving in time with the universal rhythm. Each note is a wave of calm that washes away tension, leaving only peaceful stillness. You are now in a place of pure harmony. Your breath is the music, your body the instrument, your spirit the listener. In this sacred space, you are whole, connected, and free. Let the symphony carry you further, to a place where time folds gently like a soft fabric. Here, your mind quiets, your thoughts drift by like leaves on a slow river. There is nothing to do but listen and be. Feel a warm light blooming in your chest, glowing brighter with every breath. This light pulses with the cosmic sound, a beacon of peace, love, and infinite possibility. Know that this light lives within you always, a wellspring of serenity you can return to whenever you need. Now, the symphony begins to soften, the notes turning into delicate sparks of silver and gold that float all around you like fireflies. Though the music fades, its presence remains, a gentle echo in your heart, a reminder of the boundless peace you carry inside. Take one last deep breath, breathing in gratitude for this moment, for this journey, and for the quiet music of the universe that sings within you. Slowly, bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this symphony of serenity with you, knowing that you are always part of this vast, beautiful, harmonious universe. And no matter where life takes you, you can always return to this place of calm and cosmic peace within.